They say cryptocurrency is the future of finance. Have you ever experienced slow and costly international transfers or felt like your privacy is not protected by your bank? Enter cryptocurrency, a digital currency that is fast, secure, borderless, and accessible to everyone. Cryptocurrency operates independently from central authorities, offering a decentralized financial system. And with blockchain technology, every transaction is secure and transparent. From everyday purchases to international transfers, cryptocurrency offers a more convenient and more affordable alternative to traditional finance. And with its focus on privacy and security, you have complete control over your own money. The trend is also only growing. Cryptocurrency is gaining mainstream acceptance and becoming a more and more attractive investment opportunity. So whether you're looking to make a financial investment or simply make everyday transactions more convenient, cryptocurrency has something to offer. The possibilities for future usage seem endless, and new ways are constantly being discovered in which crypto can be used and implemented in our world today. Let us know in the comments if you believe in the future of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, and don't forget to like the video as well as follow and subscribe for more updates in the future.